Good morning, students. Today I will take the class for session 12th on second model HUF. Then the topic of this session, the partition of HUF, comma, deduction under section 80C to 80U applicable to HUF. In the recap of previous classes, the income not treated as HUF income. Next, the partition of HUF income. As per co-partitionary, the co-partitionaries have rights to demand partitions. The partition means physical division of the property among co-partners. The partition means the separation of co-partners but not the physical division of property. In partition, the HUF will be continued to be assessed as HUF in case of total partition. The income will be assessed as individual income. Then some deductions are available in HUF. The deductions from gross total income from HUF. A HUF is entitled to the deductions from gross total income while computing its total income under the following sections. Some important deductions applicable under this session. Under section 80C is applicable, under section 80D, next under section 80DD, under section 80DDB, next under section 80G, next under section 80GGA, under section 80GC, under section 80IA, next under section 80IB, next under section 80IC, and under section 80JJA is applicable for these deductions in the HUF. Next, the learning objectives of the session: how to partition of HUF property and deductions under section 80C to 80U applicable to the HUF. Then, outcome of the session: to study about partition of HUF property. Next, in this class, we study for deductions under section 80C to 80U applicable to HUF, and the statement of summary of this class: to study about how to partition of HUF property. In this class, we study for deductions made under section 80C to 80U applicable to the HUF. This is the class on today. We have to complete it. Then I will go for the next class. Thank you.